Big gbege for Dino Melaye o. Dino Melaye don enter another part 3 gbege, my people. Now Olopa don arrest Dino Melaye. Dem tok say Dino Melaye dey among na im dey sponsor protesters wey be say dem go dey protest against Buhari, say make Buhari comot, make Buhari step down. Say na Dino Melaye na im dey do am. Hi guys, welcome back to Mama SOJ vlog. How you guys doing? My name is Mama SOJ. If you are new here, you are welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, God bless you as you always come back to watch my video. And if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe so that you will not miss any of my updates about the celebrities. So guys, let's get into the video. Those of you when I don't know Dino Melaye na Kogi State Senator. My people, news don't reach our side say Dino Melaye, Olopa don go arrest am for all the bad word wey be say they talk against Buhari for social media. Wey go they talk say Buhari no be dey the position, no be dey the post. Buhari don payment for long time. Wey be say he go talk say stand with Nigerian youth. He do this one say they say Dino Melaye dey among people wey be say let Nigerian youth they damage this for Nigeria. Wey be say they don't damage a lot of things. Say Dino Melaye na im dey sponsor all the old protest people wey they come outside to come dey protest. For that reason, they don't arrest Dino Melaye. Say Dino Melaye dey scatter Nigeria. Say Dino Melaye because say he go for governor and he no come win the governor. Wey be say Yaya Bello na come win for the second time again. Na come enter for the second time again. Since then, they thought say Dino Melaye don dey get even plan against Nigeria. Say na im dey sponsor Nigerian people to go dey protest. Say na im dey give them money for back. Say even Niger Delta say e dey among people wey send people go Niger Delta make dem go burn Aso before they come arrest the people. So they don't arrest Dino Melaye. They say the people point Dino Melaye. So they don't arrest Dino Melaye. Dino Melaye wey you dey talk say you know they fear. After you no see money chop again, you come by the deceiver say you stand with Nigerian youth. Although the video where Dino Melaye they make nowadays, people say na eye service, say na good eye they do. Say you buy they pretend because where if for see money where we say you take buy all those motor where they in compound where say be different house. Where they buy house for Mercy Aigbe, where we say they buy car for them. Where you take see all this money, no be inside that place you go give people money, no be in shop, no be because they carry and they give people. Say Dino Melaye himself no pure. Say you will be say you know pure, will be say you get different car will be for your compound, will be say no be all of them you feel right finish. Now you can a point figure against government. Say you and government are the same thing. Now Olopa can go arrest am. Olopa don't carry and go. Now Dino Melaye they cry. Say no one, no two. Say the video where you do not be in clear eye. Say no be in voice there for that video. Say no be in the post or in picture from Instagram. Dino Melaye where they talk say he stand with us. Now Dino Melaye can go they cry they lie now say no be he make that video. Say they do another voice put say no be in post am. Say he get manager wey be say they manage in Instagram account. Say no too they go Instagram like that. Wetin you all senator go they do for Instagram? Say now the person I post am and he no see am. Say make they leave am alone. Make they leave am alone. But people they feel say now Dino Melaye the top of for inside that video it shows na Dino Melaye na the top. But this always Dino Melaye can't they deny because Dino Melaye na like he own past actor. Dino Melaye own he past actor. So Dino Melaye, you where they talk say you stand with Nigeria, you don't go deny it. Where they talk say you know they fear me they payment you. You know they fear any arm where it won't. When we say that so soon, when we say they call Buhari different name, Nigerian government different name before people they attack you for Instagram say no be so you too na the part of them. Maybe that you know they see money they chop again. You want maybe we can't come out eye for your body with all those house where you get and different cars where you get and celebrities where you they buy car for where we say you they strive them, you they do them. Where you can't be say you they friend a lot of them. Where you can't they see money they give back they give them. You know they feel they help Nigerian citizens, but celebrities where we say you they do. Now let you go cause drama between two celebrities where we say you go they friend two best friends together. You will use money to close their mouth. Now still same you when they come outside say you stand with Nigerians. I don't know sir you make that video say you be fake. You know really stand with Nigeria. Say you just they seek for attention. You they seek for just attention. How you they seek for cheap attention. Just to get people attention, to come up people mind for your house say and you work hard for your own house. Which work you work? So my people, they don't arrest Dino Melaye for all the bad talk wey they talk about government, wey be say they talk say he himself chop the money. He now be say Dino Melaye need to tell them where he forget money wey take buy all the cars and the house wey he build. Since he talk say na government dey chop money, they talk say make he come tell them how he take get the money wey take buy the house, wey take buy the cars wey dey compound, and they talk say na so they buy house for celebrities. So make he come tell them how he take get the money. Since he talk say na only or other government dey chop, say e no dey part of them. Now they don't arrest am. So say now he dey sponsor the protest people so that they go fit in say he work hard for him money. Say no be, you know, they part of people wey be say chop Nigeria money. So my people, as I hear the news now, I thought say make I carry and come share with you now. My people, I would like to end the video for you. Let me know what I think for the comment section, and if you never subscribe, may you subscribe so that I no go miss any celebrities gist wey I dey upload. Bye bye till I come on away next time. Bye guys, see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
I stand with the Nigerian youths. I stand with the Nigerian youths. I stand with the Nigerian youths. I will support you with my resources. This is the time to make sure that the struggle is being properly organized. I stand with you in your time of need. I commiserate with comrades who lost their lives. And by the grace of God, we will do everything within our powers to make sure we support their families. This is the time to use our resources that we work hard for to enhance the struggle. The battle to salvage our country from economic cankerworms and financial scavengers is a battle of no retreat, no surrender. I stand with you because all you are asking for is good governance, and yet they carried arms against you, killing you. We will not retreat. We will not surrender. Victory is sure. We shall overcome. I am Dino Melaye.
14 times. Abacha's government detained me. Babangida's government detained me. I am not afraid of the prison. It is built because of human beings. But we will continue to speak the truth, not minding who serves his God. In an unjust society, silence is a crime. The battle to bring Nigeria back on track from these criminals in power is a battle of no retreat, no surrender. And I am ready to face the federal government on this matter.